What if I tell you I can show you an affordable recipe to lose that excessive weight you've been struggling with? So many people are struggling to gain weight, while so many are struggling to lose weight. I'm going to be showing you this recipe that is going to help you burn those excessive calories you've been struggling with. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Edith Francis. If today is the first time of coming across this channel, welcome to this channel. Feels so good to have you here. In few minutes, I will be showing you this recipe to lose that excessive weight you have been struggling with. This video is requested by Chisom Ilugo. Weight loss is something that a lot of people are really struggling with. I'm going to show us these affordable natural remedies that you can use to achieve a weight loss. I will be listing these natural remedies that can help you with your weight loss. Afterwards, I will teach you on how you can make this and the portion you are to consume daily. The first thing we are going to be talking about is cucumber. Cucumber are vegetables that contain low calories, and consuming them regularly can help you reduce the calories in your body. The next ingredient we are going to be talking about is lemon juice or lime juice. Lime juice is a very good recipe when it comes to weight loss, as lemon juice helps to decrease hunger. Lemon juice contains pectin, I don't know if I'm pronouncing it well, pectin, which helps to decrease hunger. And the next ingredient we are going to be looking at is ginger. Ginger is one great natural remedy that helps in digestion, and it also helps you in preventing hunger, which is going to make you stay away from food frequently. Another thing we are going to talk about, another natural remedies we are going to talk about is apple cider vinegar. This is another great and powerful remedy for weight loss, as it's going to help you burn down the calories in your body. And one other good thing of taking this apple cider vinegar is that it's also going to help work on your health in other things in your body. So when you are losing weight, you are going to lose weight healthily. You won't look sick. Now, how are we going to use all of these ingredients? We're making use of one cucumber, okay? You will slice your cucumber into smaller pieces. You're going to add it into your blender, and you're going to take your ginger, one stick of ginger. You are going to peel it off, wash it thoroughly, and add it into your blender. And thirdly, you are going to take your lime, you extract the juice. We are going to be working with 3 balls of lime. You take your lime, you squeeze the juice into your blender, and afterwards, you mix thoroughly. Mind you, if you are an ulcer patient, you are going to extract the lime. If you are an ulcer patient, don't use your lime, okay? Instead of using your lime, you substitute it with orange juice, okay? You squeeze in the liquid from your orange juice and you blend everything together. After blending them together, you turn them into the sieve or any clean sheet. You turn it inside and you extract the juice. This is what you take in the morning on an empty stomach. All right, on an empty stomach. You can take this morning and night on an empty stomach. At night, it should be the last thing you take before going to bed after 1 hour of your meal. Apart from taking this juice, there are things that you are going to continue doing that will make this juice not effective, which I'm going to be telling you. Going on this weight loss journey, you are to avoid food that contain excessive calories. You are to avoid taking much of sugar, and you are also going to avoid eating in large portions. When going on this journey, you are to incorporate portion control. What is portion control? Portion control is eating your food in limited quantity. You don't eat food in large quantity. You are to also limit your intake of starchy food. You are to limit your intake of fufu Here in Nigeria, we love taking fufu a lot. You are to reduce the intake of taking fufu. Don't take fufu in the morning. Please, if you are to take fufu at all, you take it in the afternoon, and it should be limited. If you do take 5 wraps of fufu, you are to reduce it to 2 wraps of fufu with enough of vegetables. You are also to incorporate vegetables into your meals and fruits. Avoid taking a lot of carbonated drinks. What are carbonated drinks? Your soft drinks, your beverages. You avoid taking that, or you limit taking them. If you're someone who is so addicted, you limit your intake of those food, and you increase your intake of vegetables, and you start having portion control. Okay, now for you not to look malnourished, okay, before you start taking your food, you consume a lot of water. Drink a lot of water before eating your food, so that you can still feel full after taking your meal. Don't forget, avoid taking starchy food, or reduce your intake of starchy food. If you must take carbohydrates, make sure you have 70% of veggies in it, and you break down your intake of fatty food. If you can follow it this way, and you take this juice recipe that I have given to you, you are going to notice that you dropped a lot of weight. Okay, you are going to burn a lot of calories. Within the space of 2 weeks, you will start seeing the results on your body. Don't forget, eat rightly. Thank you so very much. If you stayed with me till this time, don't forget, drop a comment in the comment section if you'll be struggling with weight loss, or if you're going to try out this recipe. Let me know in the comment section. Let me also know where you're watching us from, so we can send you a shout out on our next video. If you've not subscribed to this channel, click on the subscription button, click on your bell notification so you can get notified when next we drop a new video. Don't forget, give this video a thumbs up, share this video. See you next time. Bye bye.